Okay, so let's check our work. So I recreated that beautiful circuit of ours, and you can see that my first resistor is 470 ohms, my second resistor is 1200 ohms, and my third resistor is 270 ohms. I have my ohm meter here, and if I start the simulation, nothing really happens because there's no light bulb to indicate that it's happening. So that's where this will come in handy. So remember when you're using well, let's first change this to voltmeter. And so let's go ahead and figure out if we got our voltages right. So for the third resistor, that should read, the voltage across that should read 1.2. So if I press start simulation, sure enough, it's 1.25. Awesome. Stop the simulator. And if I change that to the middle one, which is this one. Okay, that one should, the voltage across the second resistor should read 5.52 volts according to my calculation, and it's close-ish. And then my third one is here. So that one should, the voltage drop across my first resistor should be 2.16 and it's 2.18. So just keep in mind that the voltage drop is a little bit bigger, probably because there's some added resistance with the wires or the breadboard. Okay, so now let's figure out the current. I have my voltage set to 9 volts, and so the current, what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to, since I want to know what the current is through the whole thing, and if I were to put the ammeter here and here, it would only include the current of this resistor, and it would bypass this resistor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase that connector. So that was connecting the positive power strip to the first resistor. And instead, I'm going to place one of these right here. So now the power is going to go into my ammeter, through my ammeter, out of my ammeter. So my ammeter essentially acts as a wire, and then I'm going to put this one over here. My ammeter, so I'm going to go like that. So now it's coming through my ammeter, and then it goes like that. So I should get the right amperage, which is 4.6, which is correct. And I just did mine in reverse. If I were just to reverse these two, it would be fine, but that's how you can figure out the total amperage or the total current without bypassing any of those resistors. Okay.